Rescue 1's at 3623 East Marginal Way S. We got one semi-tractor trailer on its side, unknown victims. Rescue extrication SOG, transportation corridor northbound Spokane. Correction, eastbound Spokane. Let's do Spokane Command.
Engine 13's at.
Engine 13 at.
All units from Spokane Command. The driver's out of the vehicle. We have no hazmat. Dispatch, we're going to reduce this down to Rescue 1, Engine 13, Battalion 5.
Okay, Command. Patient's out of the vehicle. We'll reduce this down to Rescue 1, Engine 13, Battalion 5. All our units in code green except Rescue 1, Engine 13, Battalion 5.
Dispatch from Spokane Command. Can we get a Class C record, dispatch? Dispatch from Spokane Command.
Go ahead, Spokane Command.
Can you guys dispatch a Class C record?
Affirmative. We're working on getting you a Class C record. And, Command, you wanted B5 on that, not Engine 5, correct?
That's affirmative. He's on scene.
Okay.
Battalion 5 is that, I'll assume Command.
Battalion 5, assuming Spokane Command.
Dispatch, Rescue 1. You have an SDD unit go to the bottom of the flyover at East Marginal, 1 block south of Spokane.